This is a demo of the MalEvol website, which is a web app that provides analysis of malicious web traffic. So you can upload your own pickup file that you believe it has some sort of suspicious traffic, and so the single pickup file results are shown in this page. First of all, this is an analysis summary that represents the enticement source in the infection chain, also the enticement source type, and the website server also checks for JavaScript vulnerability probing, and we provide information of the MAC address of the victim host, the browser info, the operating system info. Our website also provides a geographical analysis of the infection chain presented in this uploaded pickup file. So the infection chain starts from an infected host and it goes through different transition hosts until it reaches the infecting host that is behind the infection of or the attack against the victim host. So yeah, in this case, the infected host, which should be a blue circle, is located at the same city of the infecting host. That's why it's not shown here because the red circle is on top of it. So you can click on the infecting host and you get more information about the IP address and the involved suspicious files, hash values. Also by clicking on transition hosts, you can get their IP addresses. And of course, by hovering, you can see the name of the city that that host is located in. We also provide the, the different extracted redirection chains in this file. So here our website managed to extract two redirection chains. So the blue node is the first node and the green node is the final host, that is probably the infecting host. And for each infecting host, we search for downloadable files that could be malicious files. And here we investigate in the maliciousness likelihood of these downloadable files. For example, here this file is 80% malicious. And we also investigate in the matching IOCs of this pickup with publicly available EPT nodes between 2008 and 2019. Obviously, for this file, there is no matching IOCs. And for each pickup, we provide a JSON report that can be used for further analysis by our users. By clicking on the web infection menu, we can have overall analysis of several number of malicious pickup files. So first of all, here we provide a graph of the union of all redirection chains extracted from these malicious files. This graph can provide investigations about the shared infecting host that are used or in different traffics in different pickup files, and we can also investigate in the EPT nodes that are used. For example, here we can see the EPT nodes and the related IOCs that are matched with this host. So moving on to other analysis, we investigate here in the number of occurrence of user direction types over all pickup files. We also look at these results over the years and we compare the evolution of each redirection type each year. We also represent the results of infection per year, and we investigate in the average delay in days of defense against openly detected malicious files. So those detected malicious files can be publicly available either through apt notes or through VirusTotal API. So here we represent this average delays in defense in terms of apt notes, which is around 129 days, and it's around zero for VirusTotal. We also provide results that compare versions of each operating system in terms of number of infections. So these are the results of Windows versions, macOS versions, and also Ubuntu. And here we provide results between different operating system families. So obviously Windows is the most infected one, or the operating system that is involved with the highest number of infections. Same results are provided for browsers. So these are the results, the comparison of number of infections of versions of Internet Explorer, same for Firefox and Chrome. And here we present overall the results between these browsers family. Internet Explorer is probably the browser that has the highest number of infections. And we also present the results of number of infections per device. The overall analysis also involves geographical analysis in which we locate different nodes of the infection chain over, and we compare the results over the years. For example, these are the results of 2013. So the red circles represent the infecting chain, and by hovering we can know the number of infecting chains per city, and by clicking on that node we can have an idea on the involved host. For example, here there's only one host involved that occurred in 3 different redirection chains, and these are the different suspicious files that are included in that infecting host. So we can toggle between years and make comparisons over the years. And for more details about the tool, you can always visit the About webpage, in which we respond most of the frequently asked questions.